Hello students. Now today we are going to do the exercises of the second chapter and your second chapter in grammar textbook, that is the noun. And the explanation part already we have completed, isn't? So now let's do the exercise based upon this. Now see the first question here. Write the plural forms of these nouns. Here you can see that some of the nouns are written here, isn't? Some nouns are written here and you have to write the plural form of these nouns. Okay. So first one, that is the army. So army, it's going to be here armies. As we have learned in our previous classes also, that the nouns ending with Y, isn't, that the noun ending with Y, and if it is going to be followed with this consonant, then we have to replace this Y with IES, with IES, isn't, as you can see here. And if this Y is going to be followed with vowel here, then we have to add here S only. After Y we have to add S. But anyways, here you can see that this Y is followed by the consonant. So here at the place of Y we have to add here IES, army, armies, as you can see here. Okay. Second, you can see memento. This noun is ending with O. So we have to add here ES after O. You can see here mementos. Isn't? Now see the next one, that is pony. Isn't? Pony is written here. This is also ending with Y followed by the consonant. So here also we have added here, that is IES. Wolf. It's ending with F. So the nouns which end with F or FE, we have to replace it with VES. Okay? Wolves, as you can see. Fish. As you can see here, next one, that is the fish. Okay, fish, it will remain fish, because there are certain noun whose plural form it remains the same. For example, fish is there, deer is there, sheep is there. Okay, so their plural forms, it will remain same. See the next one, that is the scissors. Okay, scissors, plural is already scissors. And there are certain noun which are always used as a plural. Okay, we can't make them we can't say that's a scissor. Always we have to say that is scissors. Always they remain plural. For example, trousers are there, binoculars are there, scissors are there. Okay, now see here scissors. In fact, when we have to write them as a singular, isn't, then we add here a pair of scissors. A pair of scissors if we are writing, then that is going to be the singular form. But anyways, according to your standard, this is written here and its plural is going to be sim, that is scissors here. Fox, foxes. City, cities. Can you see here cities, isn't? Now next one, that is the branch, branches. Potato, potatoes. Knife, knives. Dwarf, dwarfs. Okay, now see the next question, that is choose the correct word from the brackets to complete these sentences. One has been done for you. Here some verbs are some words are given here in the bracket and you have to choose the correct one to fill in these blanks. Okay, can you see? So first one, my grandfather tells me many interesting dash stories. This story is going to be on this one. Okay, so it's written here. See the next one, Smita wore her blue dash for the party. Shoes, this one. Okay, here SHOES, shoes. The dash were crossing the river. So the donkeys, this donkey. As I told you now, that if the Y is going to be followed with a vowel, then we have to add here only s, and if it is going to be followed with a, that is a consonant, then we have to add there ies. Okay, so you can see here this y is followed with a vowel sound, so we have added here only s. The cat caught two rats this morning. Kriti could not take the final exam as she had measles. Measles can't be there, isn't? Measles. These dash in the kitchen need to be cleaned. Shelves. Shelves in the kitchen. Anil bought a box of cherries. This one, this cherries, IES. Okay, from the market. They took many photos. This photos. This is the correct spelling, not this one. On your tour. As you can see, the next exercise C1, that tick the sentences with a correct form of the nouns. Here two sentences of the same kind it is written here. Okay, but here it's a change in the nouns, so you have to identify which one is correct. In the spelling there is a difference here. Which one is correct, you have to identify. She saw two buffaloes standing near the gate. So as you can see here, one spelling is this here, buffaloes, and second one is this. So which one is correct here? This one. Okay, there are many horses in the farm, and there are many horses in the farm, so obviously many horses in the farm. This is the correct one. The roof of the building leaks during the rainy season. The roofs of the building leak during the rainy season. This one is correct. The roof of the building leaks during the rainy season. There are many calves in the field. There are many calves in the field. This one is correct. The leaves of these trees turn orange in autumn. This one. Leaves of these trees turn orange in autumn. These scissors are blunt and do not cut well. These scissors are blunt and do not cut well. You can see here this scissor is written here. So I told you that scissor, it is used as a plural one. So this is wrong and this one is the correct. Now you can see here some words are written here. Okay, and by adding these suffix, you have to make them plural. Okay, so in factory, which suffix we have to use here? S, es or is, ves, ies. Same way in the volcano, what we have to add here? That is es, volcanoes. Sorry, that is s only, volcanoes. So as you can see here, scarf, scarves, only s here we have to add. Life, lives, lives here. Then song, songs, s only. Then ferry, ferries, that is ies you have to add here. You can see ferries. Okay, now sandwich, sandwiches, es you have to add here. You can see here it is written sandwiches. Okay, next one, pathway, pathways, only s you have to add here. Now see the next one, that is a lorry. So lorries, ies here you have to add. See here, lorries. Okay, now see the next one, that is a wash, washes, es you have to add here. It is written here. Okay, so thank you, and the remaining exercise I'll send you in the next video. Thank you and have a good day.